Y'all, if you got pork chops sitting in the fridge, stop scrolling, click on this video. I'm going to show you how to make the best tender garlic honey pork chops there is. Around here, we don't believe in a fancy dinner. We just believe in bringing people around the table. So let's get ready and make some delicious honey garlic pork chops. All right, so over here we have our pork chops in a bowl. We're gonna go ahead and season these up. I forgot the honey mustard. Okay, so we got honey mustard, we got some natural seasoning, we got some Mango Magic. This stuff is by Pit Boss and it is phenomenal. We got some Weber roasted garlic Asiago. That is soy sauce. We got some, we're not gonna use this because we already got some Montreal steak seasoning and a splash of honey. So these are going to be juicy, tender, delicious, some of the best pork chops you ever had. You're going to want to make this over and over and over. So let's get into this. So with this first, we're going to coat in honey mustard. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
So we're just going to do a splash, a teaspoon of soy sauce. We're going to do our natural seasoning. That's good. And then our Montreal steak seasoning. At the bottom. Local honey. We're just going to do a squirt. All right, now you know what we need to do? We need to mix it all together, right? Huh? I ain't got no gloves. So what I'm going to do with these actually is I'm actually just going to cut these down into pieces instead of cooking them and then cutting them down. Just going to cut them on down now. So throw some butter on in there. In my pan over here on my burner, I'm going to go and add my pork chops. Cut up. And if you feel like adding some extra love or seasoning, have at it. You can add some crushed red pepper for the heat with the honey if you want. You definitely want to get a good cook on it. I'm going to pair this with some mac and cheese and some peas, I do believe. I would like to do garden or green beans, but we don't have that much, or we only have 3 cans left of green beans. So I'm gonna put my lid on it, capture that heat on the inside. It's smelling fantastic. Going from there, can't wait to eat this. It's gonna be good. It's a simple, easy dinner, y'all. If you got pork chops sitting in the fridge, chop it up. Let's roll with it. You know, we're here for it. We can do it, and it's simple and easy. You don't have to sit there and make these elaborate dishes. Make an easy dinner. Why not? It's still gonna taste amazing. Almost forgot to add some salt and some pepper. I'm gonna kill the heat because we about ready to eat. All right, y'all, here's the food. Let's give it a taste test. Honestly, if the kids don't eat dinner tonight, it's fine because I'm gonna eat it for them. This is absolutely delicious. Sorry, I forgot y'all were watching. If y'all enjoyed this video, enjoyed this recipe, please, if you will, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, join the family, okay? We're all family here. Join the family, come around Dad's kitchen table, and you'll have a grand old time. Here on Dad's Simply Cooking, we're making cooking affordable, cheap, and easy, and fast, because I want to spend time with my family. So we get in here, get cooking, and get on out. Plain, simple, easy Jane. Drop a comment below. Let me know what side dishes you enjoyed the most with pork chops and how you enjoy your pork chops. And I'll catch you in the next one. I love y'all.
And it wouldn't be. Look, see?
Is it good?
Yeah!